Hi guys, welcome back to the second weekly market breakdown of the year. I'm going to do, unfortunately, a really quick one now because I've just recorded this one and for some reason my computer decided to delete it all. So I'm going to do a really quick breakdown, just show you what I'm looking at, and yeah, let's go from there. So the DAXy, let's have a quick look. So we're looking at the daily chart. We have clearly got these pushes higher. Hopefully we're going to be coming up to maybe fill in this imbalance up here. So let's keep an eye on that. If we can get up there, that'd be great. And then it would give us some great short opportunities on here then going forward. Last week we've had these great impulses. We've got here this area, this demand zone, which has now been broken, and we've got this untested demand zone here with imbalance left behind. So that looks like it could be a good area to take a long from, and that should then roll into our other pairs. First pair that I'll be looking at for a long is dollar Swiss. Obviously I'll be looking to take along from here, but with the price action that we've got on the DXY at the moment, with that zone being broken, doesn't fill me with much hope that this zone is going to hold. So possibly somewhere around here we could be looking at another long from. So I'm going to keep an eye on both of those areas, just see where we end up really. Be keeping an eye on both of them. In terms of the daily on this chart, it is much clearer. Obviously, we've rejected this daily demand zone, taken out these liquidity points. We are overall in a bullish market, which is fantastic. And we've got these big pushes up. So hopefully we can get some nice long entries from here. Obviously, failing that, we may just blow the zone completely, and it could look at setting up shorts from this area here. So let's keep an eye on it. In line with the DXY analysis, we could be looking at shorts here on Euro USD. We've got obviously clear breaks of structure, clear impulses, and we can't come in to test this. The only thing that does make me slightly apprehensive is that obviously we have broken bullish here. The one thing that is in our favor is that we are in this supply zone, so we could be looking for a push down. But it's a confusing market because we're bullish, bearish, and bullish. So we're bullish on kind of the daily chart. 2-hour chart, we've changed bearish and clearly bearish, but we have had this push up and we've broken bullish again. So who knows? If we get a setup from here, I'll take a short here all day long. Equally, if we come down here and set up to go long and give something like this, I'll take that as well. So let's keep an eye on both of those possibilities. Definitely Euro USD and dollar Swiss would be my kind of go-to pairs so far this week. Euro Aussie, I'm not going to spend too much time on. It's a really mucky chart at the moment. No clue what's going on here. We've got breaks of structure down there. We've got demand here. We are in a bearish kind of momentum. We could be looking for a short from here if we break this zone. If we push down and we break that zone like that, we could be looking for that. We could be looking for a long from here. If we get down to here, we have clearly broken this low here. Now, some of us may call this a raid. Unfortunately, that for me, price has spent far too long below that low to be a raid. So this looks like to me we are rejecting this daily zone, even though it's quite corrective. It's like we're rejecting this daily zone and we could be pushing lower. So let's keep an eye on that one. It's not one I'm going to be jumping into until I see something really, really clear. Both of the yen pairs are very, very similar this week. So if we look at the daily chart, we've got a couple of areas. We have rejected this daily demand zone, which is a good sign. However, at the moment, we are pushing down bearish on the daily. And if we look at this chart as well, 2-hour chart, again, very, very bearish right now. So until this high is broken and clearly broken, I'm still bearish in bias, even though the daily may tell us otherwise. It moves slow enough for us to be able to get into both trades really. For me, I wouldn't be taking this long, this little kind of congestion piece here. Some of you might want to take this up long into this, but look at the potential of the trade. It's ultimately limited by the higher time frame structure. And for me, I'm not interested in taking that yet. What I'm interested in doing is waiting for price to come into here and then ultimately giving us our standard kind of setup to go short. So let's just keep an eye on that. Let's wait and see what happens there. But again, nothing really to look at until we've reached this zone. And then the pound yen is very, very similar. Okay. We've got this kind of this bearish structure here, which then turned bullish. So we are more bullish in this pair. We have also rejected quite well as well this hourly zone that we marked on last week. However, very, very similar to euro yen, we are bearish with bearish supply zones above. We are in the premium part of our range, as you can see at the moment, so wouldn't be looking to take this long. We'd only look for shorts, and we wouldn't look for shorts until we get right into that premium 25%. So let's just wait and see on both of those. Sorry for the shorter video, guys. Like I said, I've just already recorded this once and unfortunately lost the recording, so I'll make sure we get a longer one with a bit more analysis and explanation next week.